When mom or dad passes away during the pandemic and economic downturn, the family wants answers about what needs to be done and if a probate is needed. However, they may have trouble getting the family together and traveling to the attorney's office. Attorney Bill Peterson tells us how internet conferences can solve this problem. Hello. This is Grace. Today we are interviewing Attorney Bill Peterson, a lawyer with over 50 years of legal experience. We will be talking about conducting client probate meetings on Zoom and other internet services. Welcome, Attorney Peterson.
Thank you, Grace. I'm pleased to be here.
Mr. Peterson, how can the internet help get the process underway?
That's a great question, Grace. The coronavirus and the economic slump have made probate proceedings more difficult. However, the Minnesota Supreme Court recognized the problem and made electronic filing easier. The court also provided for remote hearings by Zoom and other internet systems. Those changes have had a ripple effect on the law office practices so that we lawyers do more communication by electronic devices and talk to the clients over the internet and by telephone more often. They have replaced frequent client visits to our office.
That's very interesting. How does that work, for example, when a parent or other family member dies and the family wants to know what has to be done to settle mom or dad's estate?
Usually, one of the children or the surviving spouse calls us after the funeral. We give them a brief overview of what happens in the probate process. Next, we email them a packet of information about probate and a list of the information we need to get the process underway, including the death certificate and the decedent's will, if there was one. At that time, we also set up a time to meet with them, either in person or electronically. Recently, we are doing more meetings on the web.
Is the probate process very complicated?
Probate law has evolved over nearly 1,000 years from the English common law. Probate is designed to protect the family and the creditors as well as the government. There are 17 legal tasks that need to be done in most probates. We guide our clients through the process in a way we trust will be fast, fair, and affordable for the family.
A lot of families I know have children or other family members in other parts of Minnesota or even in other states. How does your internet conferencing work for them?
That's one of the beauties of internet conferencing. I've handled probates in most of Minnesota's 87 counties, and video conferencing works very well. The system we have in place in our office can handle up to 100 people on the web. Most families don't have that many relatives. All the members of nearly any family can participate in the family probate conference with us. This means that relatives in other states or even foreign countries can take part in the family probate conference. Certainly, openness is important, but all family members need to understand that the actual attorney-client privileges belong to the family member who retained the attorney and not to all the family members individually.
Are there other benefits of internet probate conferences?
Yes, I've worked with hundreds of families in probate matters in my 50 years of legal practice. I found that open communication about what needs to be done can calm the anxiety of most family members. They've already gone through one shock with the death of a loved one. They should not go through a second shock in the probate process. Probate typically takes from 6 to 12 months to complete. When the family understands this, they are often more patient and less of what may seem to be delays.
Thank you, Attorney Bill Peterson. If you want more information about the probate process, you may call Mr. Peterson at 952-888-2400 or visit the firm website at www.petersonlawoffice.com.